As I was lifting the box into our house, my husband asked me what I ordered. I jokingly said, something that is going to temporarily make me feel like I've solved all of my problems. But really, this has permanently solved our closet organization. I have searched for months to find the best shoe organization with drawers. I wanted something for my closet that would be able to hold my shoes or my husband's shoes, but I also wanted a drawer on the top so that I could keep my makeup in it and also use this as a place to do my makeup. I am so glad this is the one that I chose. It is much more sturdy than I expected it to be. The instructions were pictured and easy to follow. The sticker number labels are easy to find when putting this together, but are placed in discrete places on each piece, making it so that I didn't have to remove each sticker label after assembling this. The way that this is put together and the hardware that is used makes so much sense. Each drawer opens easily, including the top two drawers. The top two drawers are not on tracks like typical drawers are, but the way that the hardware is designed makes it so that it's easy to line up the drawer and slide it in. It also has this plastic piece on the inside of the drawer to stop the drawer from being able to come out completely, though it can be pushed inward to allow the drawer to come out if you intend to. The drawer design is much easier than standard track drawers. They also can be adjusted, so if you have wider shoes, you can adjust that middle piece to allow for wider shoes, or just take it out completely for items like boots. My husband's shoes fit well inside. He wears a size 10.5 to size 11. I wear a size 7.5 to a size 8, and my shoes also fit perfectly. The height and the depth of each drawer makes me think that this whole setup can be used for more than just shoes. I love how wide it is because it is out of the way but has plenty of storage. Oh, and for a size reference, I am 5 feet 5 inches tall. I don't have to worry about my toddler getting into the top drawers or anything placed on the very top shelf. This is also very secure against the wall. It feels like it was built into our closet with the way it fits so well and is so sturdy. I love the way that the top shelf is wide enough for items to be placed on it, as well as it has the wraparound border so that items are not falling back behind the shoe cabinet or dresser. I can't say enough great things about this. It's perfect and I highly recommend it.